We begin in Room 1, Science Fiction. In this display case, we enter the world of Star Wars. On one side, the dark side, with Darth Vader's helmet. On the other, Obi-Wan Kenobi's lightsaber, signed by Ewan McGregor. These represent two iconic symbols of the Sith and the Jedi. The helmet was made from the original mold used in Return of the Jedi. It is signed by nearly all the actors from the original trilogy, except Harrison Ford, whose signature appears on a different item in the exhibition. On the back of the helmet, you'll find signatures collected in Europe. On the front mask, some signatures were obtained in the United States, as those actors didn't travel to Europe at the time. On the right side of the mask is the signature of David Prowse, the actor who played Vader in the films. On the left side, in black, written vertically, you'll find the signature of the great Constantino Romero, who voiced Darth Vader in Spain. This is the only item in the entire exhibition that features a voice actor's signature. And it makes sense. In Star Wars, even the actor behind the mask didn't provide the voice. That voice was performed by James Earl Jones. Also here, a little gem, an original ticket from the London Odeon premiere of The Phantom Menace, signed by George Lucas. And that strange object that looks like an old camera flash, that's exactly what it is. The first lightsabers were built from vintage camera flashes. This one is a German flash unit, brand Highland, the same kind used to make Darth Vader's lightsaber. Luke Skywalker and Obi-Wan used a longer British model called the Cell 3. So next time you watch the films, remember, those lightsabers were built from repurposed photo equipment. On the other side of the case, we find the current series, The Mandalorian. Here you can see Bo-Katan's helmet, the Mandalorian warrior who delivers the iconic line, "This is the way." The character Din Djarin, also known as the Mandalorian, is primarily portrayed by Pedro Pascal. However, due to the physical demands of the costume and action scenes, many parts of the series were actually performed by stunt doubles, especially Brendan Wayne and Lateef Crowder. Now we enter Room 2, Fantasy.